The chapter name is Matter Around Us Pure. Most of the natural substances are not pure. We use different methods of separation to get individual components from a mixture. As we know, heterogeneous mixtures can be separated by physical processes like hand picking, filtration, etc. How can we separate homogeneous mixtures like blue, black ink? One stove is there, take a beaker. In the upper part of the beaker, we can put a watch glass and blue ink and the vapors are formed. After some time, we will see that water from the ink leaves the ink and we can observe the ink dye left on the white watch glass. Thus, we can separate the volatile component solvent from its non-volatile components solute through evaporation. Similarly, we use centrifugation technique to filter out fat cream from milk. The principle of centrifugation is to force the denser particles to stay down and lighter particles stay at the top when spun rapidly. We can use separating funnel to separate into immiscible liquids like kerosene and water. The immiscible liquids won't just mix together, and that is why we can use this technique. If a mixture contains sublime volatile, a particle that changes its state from solid to gas on heating. Such mixtures with sublime volatile and non-sublime volatile can be separated by a sublimation. One beaker is there, camphor, methylene, aluminum chloride. We already know that ink is a mixture of water and dye. We can also separate different colors from a black dye using chromatography. Color in Greek, chromatography is a technique used for separation of those solutes that get dissolved in the same solvent. Its applications are to be separate. Colors in a dye, drugs from blood, pigments from colors,